Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am your host, Leo, and today we have a very special episode. Please welcome my wonderful friend, Anna.
Hi, Leo, and hello to all our listeners. I am so happy to be here. I am ready to speak some English.
Anna, you look very mysterious today. You are holding a very big bag. So I have a question to start. What do you have in that bag?
Good question, Leo. Let me see. I have my phone, I have my keys, and I have a giant sandwich.
A giant sandwich? Wow, you must be hungry. See, listeners, Anna used the magic word for today. She said, I have a sandwich. Today we are talking about the verb have.
Yes, have is a small word, but it is super important. We use it for everything, for things we own, for food, and for plans.
Exactly. But Anna, sometimes it is confusing. Sometimes I say, I have. Sometimes I say, I am having. And sometimes I say, I had. It makes my brain hurt.
Don't worry, Leo. We will fix your brain today. We will look at the present, the past, and the future. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with right now, the present. Anna, explain the simple rule. When do I say I have?
Okay. We use I have for things you own or things that are true. For example, I have brown hair. You have a nice smile, Leo.
Oh, thank you, Anna. And I have a job. She has a car. That is easy.
Yes, but be careful. If you are doing an action right now, it changes. We use having.
Like right now, we are having a lesson.
Exactly. Or if you are eating, I am having lunch. But Leo, never say I am having a car. That is wrong.
Got it. So, I have a sandwich means it is in my bag. I am having a sandwich means I am eating it.
Perfect. You are a genius, Leo.
Okay, I feel good. But now let's make it a little harder. What is have had? Like, I have had this watch.
This is the present perfect. We use it to connect the past to now. Imagine this. You bought a watch in 2020 and you still have it today.
So I say, I have had this watch for 3 years.
Yes, it started in the past and it's still true now. Or for experiences, I have had 3 coffees today.
And the day is not finished, so I might have 4 coffees. Oh no, I will be crazy. Okay, let's travel back in time, to the past. This one is easy, right? Yesterday, I had a pizza.
Yes, had is for finished actions. Yesterday, I had a good idea. Last week, we had a test. Simple.
But Anna, here is the funny one, the double had. Had. It sounds like a bad song. Had. Why do we say this?
It sounds funny, but it is logical. Imagine 2 things happened in the past. Thing number 1 happens first. Thing number 2 happens second. We use had for thing number 1.
Okay, give me a story. I need a story.
Okay, imagine last Sunday, you went to a cafe, but before that, you ate breakfast at home.
Okay, action 1, ate breakfast. Action 2, went to the cafe.
So you say, I wasn't hungry at the cafe because I had breakfast at home.
Ah, so the breakfast happened first. I had breakfast, then I went to the cafe.
Exactly. The double had is the past of the past.
Wow, my brain has had a workout. I need some water. I think I will have some water now. Okay, I drank my water. I'm ready for the future. The future is bright, Anna.
Yes, the future is easy. We usually use will have. Leo, predict something for me.
Okay, tomorrow you will have a great day.
Thank you. Or for plans, we use going to have. I am going to have a holiday in July.
That sounds nice. Can I come?
Maybe if you study your verbs.
Okay, what about this big sentence? Will have been having. That is too long.
It is very long. We use it for duration in the future. Next year, we will have been having these lessons for 5 years. It emphasizes the long time. But don't worry, Leo, we don't use this every day.
Okay, we learned the grammar. Now let's talk about real life. We use have in many phrases. It doesn't always mean possession.
That's right. Leo, if you are sick, what do you say?
I say, I have a headache, or I have a cold.
Correct. And in a restaurant,
I say, can I have the bill, please? Or I will have the chicken.
perfect. Here is a very common one. I have to. It means I must.
I have to go. I have to work. And my favorite one, I have an idea. That means a thought just popped up. Ding!
And the opposite,
I have no idea. Where are my keys, Anna? I have no idea.
check your bag, Leo.
Okay, Anna, I have a question. Sometimes people say, I have got a car. Is that different from I have a car?
Good question. They are the same. I have got a problem. I have a problem. Same meaning.
Okay, but in the past tense, do we say I had got?
No. Usually we just say I had. Keep it simple.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. We will say a sentence, you repeat it out loud. Don't be shy.
I say it first, then Leo, then you. Ready?
I was born ready. Let's go.
Sentence 1. I have a dream.
I have a dream.
Sentence 2. I am having a good time.
I am having a good time.
Sentence 3. I have had a busy week.
I have had a busy week.
Sentence 4. I had a great idea yesterday.
I had a great idea yesterday.
Sentence 5. I have to practice English.
I have to practice English.
Sentence 6. Do you have a pen?
Do you have a pen?
Sentence 7. I haven't had any coffee today.
I haven't had any coffee today. Wow, great job, everyone. I can hear you from here. You sound amazing.
Leo, before we finish, I want to test you. Are you scared?
I have a little fear, but I have confidence. Go ahead.
Situation 1. You are at a party. The music is good. What do you say?
I am having fun.
Correct. Situation 2. Your friend looks tired. What advice do you give?
You should have a rest, or you should have a break.
Correct. Situation 3. You need to leave now. It is necessary.
I have to go. I have got to go.
Perfect score, Leo. You have mastered the lesson.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you for helping me today. I feel much better about the verb have. It's not so scary anymore.
You're welcome, Leo. Remember, it's a small word, but we use it everywhere. The best way to learn is to practice.
Yes. Listeners, we have a challenge for you. Write a comment below. Answer this question. What is one thing you have to do tomorrow?
Use the phrase, I have to. For example, I have to go to the supermarket. I have to call my mom.
We will read your comments. We love reading your sentences. It makes us happy.
And please, if you liked this lesson, give us a thumbs up. Have a heart and subscribe.
Have a heart. I like that. Thank you for listening to Daily English Talk. You have a bright future in English.
Yes, keep practicing a little bit every day. You can do it. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.